Alright, it's April 8th, 2022, and I've been trying to do some workout here, but it's really rainy today. And by the looks of it, we still have some rain that's on its way. But nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and get some work done. Might not be too much, but at least I can get something done before we get swamped here. Alright, so we're going to start going down this way, and we're going to start cutting right about here. Well, that's it for today. Just got done cutting. It's probably about 5:30, maybe 5:40. It's getting pretty dark, so finished right on time. This stretch going down this way is for another video that I started, I think, a couple months ago. So I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. This stretch comes down onto the road, the back road that goes down onto the main road into the farm. So we cut, cleaned up right around here, and we came from that direction over there, and it bends this way. So when we came in this way, and we cut over that way, came back down right to where we are now, and worked our way down right into cutting this area. And eventually I was just messing around and doing some more cutting right there, trying to take advantages of as much sunlight as I could. But like I said, the sun is going down, and that is it for today.